Pretty handy tool, right? In this video, I'm gonna cover every feature of this impact drill driver, and I'm gonna show you why this driver is the best driver out there that you need for every do-it-yourself home project. If you like to do things by yourself, then I'm sure you will agree with me. A good drill machine can easily become your best friend. Right here we have an Einhell battery-operated TE1848 impact drill driver. The basic option comes in this very nice cardboard box, and you also get a handle to support you on those heavier jobs. Now, this is a very lightweight drill, and it has this comfortable soft rubber handle to help you establish a better grip while holding it with one hand only. The drill itself weighs only around 1.8 kilos, which means you can work with it for hours and you won't get tired, which is a very big win for ladies who like to do home projects, and of course some guys with very small arms. You, yes, you, I'm talking to you. Get to the gym, bro. Right here at the top of the drill we have this gear adjustment. Gear 1 gives you slow speed but high torque, and gear 2 gives you high speed but medium torque. This depends on the job description. Gear number 1 is usually used for screw stripping, and gear number 2 is usually used for hole drill. The forward and reverse button is located right here above the trigger, which makes it very easily accessible. This drill has also this clutch adjustment that goes from 1 up to 21, which reduces the chances of stripping the screws as the clutch will disengage the chuck at the preset torque. This option will also make your driver bit's lifespan longer. Now, one very cool feature: the harder you press this power button, the faster the chuck turns. And the reality is you don't always need the highest speed, especially when working with screws. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast, right? There's a very cool light feature at the bottom of this drill. The light comes on even before your chuck starts to turn, which is very nice when you are working in those tight, dark areas. The maximum drill bit size is 13mm, but trust me, this is just enough for almost all home projects. If you for some reason need a bigger drill bit, then you will also need a stronger drill machine, but more on that comparison in some other video. Just a quick reminder, if you are enjoying this content so far, it would really help if you would hit that like and hit that subscribe button right now, as this really helps to get our content out there. Thank you. This 1848 has a hammer function, which means that while this chuck rotates, it also moves drill bit forward and backward in hammer motion, and this allows to drill into some harder materials like bricks and concrete. The drill mode doesn't engage the clutch at all. It doesn't matter what number your clutch is set on, while in drill mode your drill will go full speed all the time. The dry mode, this little screw icon right here, will engage the clutch and you can control the torque of your drill. And hey, by the way, in the comments, I'm curious, what do you guys use? Do you use the Einhell, the Walt, Milwaukee, whatever? Just write it and let's see what is the most common one. You usually have to buy a battery and a charger separately, but if you buy a bigger kit, like this one, everything comes together. This drill has this standard Einhell power exchange platform, which means you can use this same battery in over 200 different power tools in the Einhell range, after you collect all 200 of them, of course. Being battery operated is a big advantage. You don't have to worry about running cables, extension cords and plug locations. Just get to the job and get it done. If you are a power tool beginner and do-it-yourself enthusiast, I highly recommend you should start with this Einhell drill machine, because it's very lightweight, it's easy to handle, it's simple to operate, and it will get almost any job done. Now check out these two videos right here for more power tool tips and tricks, and check out this video right here because YouTube thinks that this video is best video for you, so make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.